Today on HooptieDoodle, we make a bracket that connects a support thingy to a brake caliper. Since we've got this done, I'm going to move on to this part here. This is the brake caliper support. So the caliper goes back here. Caliper goes on there. Originally, this support bar was up here on the swing arm. And so since I put that in, it's not going to fit over there anymore. And basically the caliper was positioned right about there previously, and now it's just going to be back here. There's enough hose there to work with the new position of the caliper, so I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out how to position this, weld it on. I still have the bracket, the original bracket that was on the swing arm that I can place on there. So that's what I'm going to work on right now. Alright, so that's about where it should land. I'm going to go ahead and try and mark stuff up, and then we're going to have to see about how I can weld that on there. Alright, so I have taken the bracket and I've made some extensions on there. I've added on these two longer pieces here, welded those on right there. And the idea being that this can then fit on to the pipe approximately like so. And then this guy come in. Should look basically like that when I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll put the screw in this guy, lock everything together, stick it on the pipe here, start welding it in, weld it around, and now grind off the extra pieces, and then we're done. So yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. Basically just that. Point. Put this guy back in there. Grind everything off, shape it, weld it up. Alright, so I've gone ahead and ground off the edges here so that it fits the pipe better. And now I'm going to go ahead and weld that in a little bit better. Alright, so I've got it welded in and cleaned up a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and paint everything now. Alright, so my little bracket has been finished up here and painted, and it's quite lovely. I'm very happy with how that turned out. I still need to clean this guy up and paint that and whatnot, but it works fantastically. This slides in here like it was made for it. And then this all just bolts on here, etc. No problem. So we'll get to that later. I've got other work to do, but very happy with how that turned out.